MST410P Portable Pump Multi-Gas Detector Video Operation Guide. We provide a hard plastic carrying case as a bonus with the MST410P. User's Manual. Gas detector. This is TFT color screen. This is for buttons. Buzzer. There are 4 alarm lights around it. On the back is a crocodile clip. This is the product nameplate. Charging port. This is the included charger. This is the pump filter membrane. It is installed here and can be replaced when dirty. This is the sampling rod. Insert it and tighten it. This is the floating ball accessory we specially give as a bonus. There are small holes inside the floating ball. It is suitable for gas detection in scenarios such as water surfaces and underground wells. Now let's simulate and demonstrate how to use the floating ball. The standard equipped hose is 3 meters long. Slowly lower the floating ball to the water surface. At this time, you can see that the floating ball is floating on the water surface. In this way, you can detect the gas above the water surface. Next are some optional accessories. This is the charging dock. This is the matching plug. On the other end of the charging dock, you can connect another charging dock side by side. It can charge multiple detectors simultaneously. It is more suitable for large factories. Now demonstrate the charging effect. This is the optional leather case. The leather case is equipped with for hanging loops, which can be combined and buckled arbitrarily as needed.